everyone, this is Kelly and welcome back to my channel and my little dollhouse, and today I'm coming to you with a really quick way to make dinner, especially in this heat. This is the Udi's brand. It's gluten-free, of course, because everything else that I have is. And this is a chicken Alfredo, and all you do is so simple. This is it. Right? Open it up, shake it around a little bit, pop it in the microwave for 10 minutes, and that's it. Easy as pie. I'll be right back, show you when it's done. And thanks to the magic of YouTube, it's done. So just pop it off, and that's it. So you have chicken Alfredo. Really easy, and it's quick, doesn't heat up your house. It's a nice, nutritious meal. So this is what it looks like. Sorry, you don't have pot holders. See? Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you want, and I will see you in the next video. I hope you found this helpful. Have a terrific day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.